Yes, I'm asking, my cousin came up here.
Uh-huh.
At, my cousin came up here at his son's funeral,
Mm-hmm.
and she didn't go back, and she has a Jamaican passport,
Okay.
and she didn't go back, and she's up here like 10 years now. What could she do?
Well, if she's never filed anything prior to April 30th, 2001, what she needs to do is find somebody to fall in love with.
Excuse me?
Find somebody to fall in love with. If you've overstayed on your visa and you've had nothing
Yes.
filed before April 30th, 2001, the only way you're getting a green card is as an immediate relative. An immediate relative would be marriage to a U.S. citizen, you have a child who's a U.S. citizen who's over 21, or you are in fact a child under 21 of a U.S. citizen. Unless you're an immediate relative, you overstayed your visa. These are your choices. Figure out how to be grandfathered under 245I, or figure out how to be an immediate relative. Grandfathered under 245I means you had something filed in the system before April 30th, 2001. An immediate relative means I'm married to a U.S. citizen in a bona fide marriage, I am the parent of a U.S. citizen over the age of 21, or I am the child under 21 of a U.S. citizen.
Yes, I have a TPS. I'm Haitian, and I'm married to a U.S. citizen, but I had another deportation. What should I do?
You have to make a motion to reopen your deportation case, because you do have TPS, and then try to adjust your status, but you can't adjust because you have TPS. You have to still be able to adjust your status either because you made a legal entry or were paroled into the United States, or you're grandfathered under 245I. The fact that you changed from out of status to TPS doesn't allow you to adjust. You still need that entry into America either on a visitor's visa or on some type of other visa or on a parole, or that you're grandfathered under 245I. But what I would suggest you do is come see me, and we will take it from there.
Absolutely. All right.
So there's a possibility to do something, or there's no possibility?
It depends on how'd you come to America.
How did you come to America?
I came on a boat. I came on a boat.
She came on a boat, Brad.
Okay. Did you ever have anything filed before April 30th, 2001?
I came on 2001.
Came in 2001. Where are your parents?
No, after 2001.
Where are your parents?
Where are your parents?
Excuse me?
Where are your parents? You know what I think?
They are in Haiti.
Okay. Did you ever try to file? Anybody ever try to file for your parents to get a green card?
No, nobody ever filed for me. The only one who filed is my husband who filed for me.
No, I'm asking about your parents.
No, nobody ever filed for them.
No, so then you still can't adjust your status because you either need the legal entry or you need to be under 245I. It doesn't sound like you have either. But if you want, you can make a consultation for me to review in more greater detail, because I don't know if we got the full story here.
I have a sister that her husband, he's a U.S. citizen, and he petitioned for her kids, which is his stepchildren. But they had sent a note to her to say that she got to show more proof that she is the mother of one of the child, because she had done a depot with the child name.
Right, so they'll do a DNA test.
She have to do a DNA?
Yeah, I think that's the best thing to do, yeah. DNA doesn't lie.
It doesn't hurt either.
Because the thing that they're saying that the child is registered like a couple of years after he was born. So they want to know why.
Right, and I can't blame them. So if it's the child and you take a blood test and the DNA matches, it's no problem. If the DNA doesn't match, then you got a problem.
Right.
That's really what it's going to come down to.
What if the mother have like the hospital record of when the child was born?
Well, listen, if you're concerned about taking the DNA test because it's not your child, then you have a problem. You got a problem. Okay, and I can't help you fake what's not real. Right. So if you're asking me, you want to bring your child up, and this child is yours, and you had a late registration, and you did a deed poll, then you take a blood test. Other than that, I can't. I don't know if I would be able to help you.
Let me ask you this. What it sounds like.
So how would I go about taking the blood test? Because they didn't say How would she go
You
about
you would you
doing
would you would
that?
you would organize it through the U.S. Embassy. There's a place out in New Jersey that you go to, and then there's a doctor that's affiliated with the U.S. Embassy, and they take the blood and send it to Washington D.C. and match the DNA. And if you'd like, you can come see me, and we can organize it for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes. Hi.
I'm good. I have a question. I'd like to speak with the lawyer.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I have an aunt, and she's a U.S. citizen, and she wants to file for her son, who lives in Jamaica, and he's like 35 years old. I just want to know how long would it take?
You have an aunt, and he wants to file for his son. For her
Her
son.
son in Jamaica.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so, is she a citizen or a resident?
She's a citizen.
And the son is married or single?
Single.
About 4 years.
4 years?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, I have a question.
Sure.
I recently got married, and it's been 6 months. And my husband is filing. He did file under the work to get a work visa, but now he's doing it as a marriage status. But the thing is that the law office that he was using was Mission Hispana, and they were investigated by the Attorney General's office not to be a law office at all. So, yeah. So I need to know what to do as far as for him to get money back that he spent to pay these people.
It's a two-part thing. One, you want. Okay, so let's turn on your radio in the background because it's killing us.
Well, if they were arrested, then there's a crime victims fund that you can apply for. As far as your immigration case, yeah, just listen to the answer. We're gonna have to hang up on you because you have to shut your radio off before you call. But hello, she did now?
Yes, you did. Go
Okay.
No, I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you.
ahead. Okay, go ahead.
There's a crime victims fund if they were in fact arrested that you can try to get your money back from. You can literally sue them, but they probably won't have any money. Also, but more importantly about getting your money back, I'm concerned about your husband's green card because it's now his application, although it very well may be a legitimate application, is tainted with fraud. And they're going to be very suspicious about the marriage and him and everything, and I would suggest you come in for a consultation to review what was done.
I think that's most important right now. I was about to suggest that.
Okay.
All right.
And also, I have one more question. He has a driver's license, but he doesn't have a Social Security number, and he gets some tickets. So will that affect his status as well?
No, just pay the tickets.
Just pay the tickets, all right?
Okay.